Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch with your phone. First, please ensure both devices are well charged, ideally above 50%, to avoid interruptions. Next, verify that Bluetooth is active on your phone. Keeping your phone close to your watch will help facilitate a smooth connection process. We want to make this as seamless as possible for you. Now, let's get the necessary application. Head to your phone's app store and download the official Samsung wearable app. Once installed, open the app and tap the Start button to initiate the connection. The app will then search for nearby devices. Simply select your particular Samsung Watch model from the list that appears on your screen. This step ensures you are connecting the correct device. With your watch selected, a pairing request will appear on both devices. Confirm this on both your watch and your phone. Next, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions presented within the app to move forward. After successful pairing, take a moment to customize your new watch. You can adjust notifications, set your favorite apps, and personalize many other settings right from the Samsung wearable application. Occasionally, minor connection hiccups can occur. If you face any issues, a simple restart of both your watch and your phone often resolves them. Always ensure your watch's software is up to date for optimal performance and compatibility with your phone. Finally, enjoy your new connected experience, and remember to charge your watch regularly, typically once every 1 to 2 days, based on your activity levels. Your Samsung Watch is now ready to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.